Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Francis. I'm the Director of Youth, Family, and Recreation, and I am going to show you how to make slime in under 5 minutes with some basic ingredients that you can find at your house. So the first one is some Elmer's glue. I have clear glue. You can use white glue, basic school glue. Anything will work. Eye contact solution and baking soda. So with those 3 simple ingredients, we are going to make slime in under 5 minutes. So this is my 6 ounces of school glue. I've already poured it into the bowl here. It's clear. And then I have 1 1/4 tablespoons of the contact solution and 1 1/2 tablespoons of baking soda right here. So I wanted to add some fun confetti or glitter into my slime. So I'm gonna do that first. And there we go. So we have some fun confetti in there. See that? I'm gonna mix it up so that it's all around my slime. And then, in no particular order, you add all the ingredients in. So I'm just gonna drop the contact solution in, and I'm gonna drop the baking soda in, and then just stir, stir, stir. So as you can see, it's kind of getting a little clumpy here. And I'm just gonna keep going until all of the liquid is absorbed. One trick is that if the slime is still a little too sticky, then you can go ahead and add more baking soda in. That helps it not stick to your hand so much. So I just like coat a very thin additional layer of baking soda on the slime, and then it's good to go. So here we go. I'm gonna play with it a little bit with my hands just to get it going, but now I have this fun moon slime. As you can see, woo, it's a lot of fun. So this, as you can see, it's a little sticky, so I'm gonna add some more baking soda, but it's a blast. The kids can make it on their own and play with it for hours. Thanks so much.